I don't like this. We're sending her blind into a war zone with no backup.
She can handle herself. You know that.
There's too many variables. I'm going to the roof to launch the tracking drone. If I reset the algorithms and retune the spectrometer...
That reminds me, I took your little bird toy and made it, well, better in every possible way.
Better how? It was already top of the line.
Was? Maybe. Now it is top of the line. First off, I upgraded the cloaking tech. Before, it could shift to near invisibility, but now, full spectral dampening. Cameras, heat signatures, even ultrasonic scans won't pick it up unless they know exactly what they're looking for.
And if they do?
Fail-safe countermeasures. If it gets pinged, it scrambles the sensor data, making it look like a glitch, or a bird, or nothing at all.
All right, I'll admit that's useful. What else?
Flight speed, 40% increase. Silent running, now, actually silent. And the AI, it's not just reacting anymore, it's anticipating. You don't need to micromanage, just give it a goal, and it'll adapt mid-flight. Oh, and I added a few surprises. Think non-lethal deterrence, minor EMP bursts, remote hacking capabilities.
I knew there was a reason I kept you around. Let's see what it can do. Follow Ashley, and report any suspicious activity back to me.